See, actually, there is a synchronization of three things. Three things should be synchronized, and that decides your time. First thing is your breath, right? So, in that position, whether you are keeping that breath, so for example, if I am in Bhujangasana, I'll concentrate on chakra. At the same time, I'm breathing in completely, holding that. But when I have to breathe out and go immediately to, suppose, Parvatasana, immediately I have to then breathe out. So then breathe out position, I have to keep myself there. So it is a breathing, number one. Number two, your attention, and number three, your muscle power there. So otherwise what will happen, if you hold yourself for long time in Parvatasana, you'll find you have a calf ache, calf muscle ache.
Either we hold the breath or we just release the breath and change the position.
Yeah, so for example, if you are on in Chaturbhuja Dandas, what you are going to do there, you have gone from the Ashwasanchalanasana in Chaturbhuja Dandasana. So in Chaturbhuja Dandasana, you have to take a breathe, complete breathe, and while going towards the Ashtanga Namaskar, you have to breathe out. When you go to the Ashtanga Namaskar, you have to breathe out completely, stay there. You can keep yourself stayed there without breath. See, the thing is very logical. How it is logical? You have breathe out, you are touching your chest to the ground, and you are touching your knees to the ground, and breathe out. Now, as you have breathe out, your more energy is required to touch your chest to the ground and your knee to the ground. But in doing so, you are stretching your Manipur chakra. So it's very difficult. So basically, you are also not allowing me to touch my tummy to the ground. You are also stretching that tummy from both the sides. And you are also not allowing me to keep my breath in. Correct? This is the position. So as a result of it, there is more stretch in the Manipur chakra. So it's an ideal condition. Otherwise, there will be three pumps required. One pump will pull my anteric muscles, one pump will pull my vertical muscles, and one pump will pull my belly button. So three pumps are required to bring that position. Correct? So those three pumps work is done by Ashtanga Namaskar.